The 5th-ranked product is Ugreen 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe enclosure with aluminum double-sided fin heat dissipation. No noise external SSD case compatible with Thunderbolt 4/3/USB4/3.2/2.0 M1 M2 Pro/Max, SSD not included. Review score, 4.3. Review count, 290 ratings. Price, $69.99. Customers find the hard drive enclosure performs well, runs fast with 4 TB WD black drives, and is easy to install. They appreciate its design, build quality, and overall enclosure quality. The heat generation receives mixed feedback. While some praise its excellent cooling, others report it gets hot during heavy work. Customers disagree on whether it works with Mac products. Customers dislike, no info. The 4th-ranked product is Wavlink 40 gigabits per second PCIe NVMe SSD enclosure, USB4 external M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, 4B+M/M-Key PCIe SSD 2280 size, tool-free installation, compatible with Thunderbolt 4/3/USB4/USB-C, SSD not include. Review score, 4.4. Review count, 88 ratings. Price, $65.99. Customers find the SSD enclosure fast, with one noting it operates at Thunderbolt 4 speed, and appreciate its ease of installation and build quality, with one highlighting the heavy-duty webbing belt clip. The functionality works like a USB drive, and customers consider it a great product. The scalability receives mixed feedback. While some say it keeps things cool, others find it unreasonably hot. Customers report mixed experiences with connectivity, with several mentioning it wouldn't connect to their computers. Customers dislike, no info. The 3rd-ranked product is Enhanced USB4 M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD enclosure, 40 gigabits per second ultra-fast transfer, tool-free setup, dual-sided cooling, Thunderbolt 4/3 and USB4/3.2 compatible, fits M1/M2 M3/M4, supports 2230/2242/2260/2280 SSD. Review score, 4.5. Review count, 19 ratings. Price, $64.99. Customers like, no info. Customers dislike, no info. The 2th-ranked product is Quislab Fanless 40 gigabits per second USB4 Thunderbolt external SSD enclosure with aluminum heat-sink chassis, supports M.2 NVMe SSD up to 8 TB, silver, SSD not included. Review score, 4.5. Review count, 216 ratings. Price, $69.99. Customers find the SSD enclosure well-made with an aluminum build and appreciate its incredible speed for data transfer and storage. Moreover, the functionality receives positive feedback, particularly after enabling SSD cache, and customers find it easy to install, with one mentioning success with the Samsung 990 Pro 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD. Additionally, the build quality and value for money receive positive reviews. Customers dislike, however, the heat dissipation receives mixed feedback, with some noting it manages heat well while others mention it gets warm during extended operations. The cable length is criticized for being ridiculously short. The 1st-ranked product is Lexar E750 40 gigabits per second M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, tool-free installation compatible with Thunderbolt 4/3/USB4/3.2/3.1/3.0/2.0, expand MacBook and Mac Mini, up to 8 TB, support M.Key 2230/2242/2260/2280 SSD size. Review score, 4.6. Review count, 13 ratings. Price, $89.99. Customers appreciate the NVMe enclosure's premium feel, functionality, and fast speed. The heat dissipation receives mixed feedback. While some say it works well, others note it gets hot during operation. Installation experiences are mixed, with some finding it easy to install the SSD while others report difficulties, particularly with larger 4TB modules. The enclosure's weight is also mixed, with several customers noting it's a bit heavy. Customers dislike, no info.